So this is how to use a calculator to solve simultaneous equation. So the first thing you will do is to press on mode, then select 5, which is equations, EQA. Then you select the first one. Now, we are going to compute the coefficient of the variables we are dealing with. So first of all, we have x minus y equals 1. So the coefficient of x is 1. So you press the number, then you press on equal to. It will take you to the next one. Now the coefficient of y is -1. So you are going to compute -1, then you press on equal to. And also the constant, which is c, is 1. Then you press on 1, equal to. When you are done, you come to the second equation. So with the second equation, the coefficient of x is 2. The coefficient of y is 1. And the constant is 8. When you're done, then you press on the equal to sign again. So the value for x is 3 and the value for y is 2. Let's look at the second question. So when you're done, you press on the AC. So with the second question, the variables here are m and n. So whenever you are dealing with different variables apart from x and y, you assume the first variable as x and the second variable as y. Then you carry on the same process. So the coefficient of m is 3 and the coefficient of n is 1. And the constant c is 10. When you're done, then you come to the second equation. The coefficient of m is 2, n is 2, and the constant is 4. When you're done, then you press on the equal to sign. So the value for x is 4. So this time around, our x is m. So the value for m is 4. And y is representing n. So the value for n is -2. Let's look at the last question. So you press on the AC and press it on it again. So the last question, the coefficient of a is 6/5. So you press 6 divided by 5. Then you press on the equal to. Then you look at the second term, which is 3/2. So 3 divided by 2. Then you press on equal to. And the constant is -4. It brings you back to the second equation. So the second equation, the coefficient of a is 1/3. 1 divided by 3. And the coefficient of b is -5 divided by 4. And the constant is 1. When you are done, then you press on the equal to sign. So don't be worried about the decimals it is computing. All you have to do is to compute the right values you see there. When you are done, then you press on the equal to. So the value for x, so this time around our x is a and our y is b. So the value for a is -7/4 and the value for b is -19/15. Now, use your calculator to try this question and comment your answer below. Thank you for watching.